While Michael Emmanuel was having dinner with Matt in Matthew's house, many other tax collectors and sinners came and ate with him and his disciples. When the Pharisees saw this, they asked his disciples. Once again, they cowards. Why don't you go ask him? I'm sitting right here. Why you asking my disciples about anything I do? Cowards. Meaning they live in a lifestyle that his lifestyle is destroying. And they're trying to salvage what remains of the lifestyle that they've been living. But because he is true power and he's truly God, what they've done cannot exist in his presence. And so they mad and they upset and they trying to figure out how to stop him from doing what he's doing so that they can keep doing what they've been doing. But it's impossible. And that's the same decision you face with when trying to deal with us. You can't continue doing what you've been doing and join us. Impossible. They asked his disciples, "Why does your teacher eat with tax collectors and sinners?" On hearing this, once again, showing God. On overhearing, have nothing to do with the worthless deeds of darkness, but expose them. So now he's going to expose them. On hearing this, Michael Emmanuel says publicly to everybody now, it is not the sick that have need of a physician. No. Isn't it the sick that have need of a physician? The masterpiece that passeth all understanding, physician. He's saying not the righteous. The sinner needs the doctor, not the righteous. I have not come to call the righteous. It's a waste of time to call the righteous. They're already righteous. I'm with tax collectors and sinners because they're the sick that need a physician. What good is having a hospital when everybody is already healthy? The sick have need of a physician. But go and learn what this means. He told them to go and learn what this means. I desire mercy, not sacrifice. I don't want to have to kill those who are opposed to me. But I have not come to call the righteous, but the sinners. And you're trying to get in the way of what I've been sitting here to do. So go and learn what it means when I say, I have not come to call the righteous, but the wicked. So you can stop getting in my way. Get out of my way. Because I don't desire sacrifice. I don't want to have to destroy you. But I will if you prevent me from doing what I came here to do. Then John the Baptist's disciples came and asked him. So they asked directly. not cowards, not plotting and scheming. They truly have a question, and they came to the master to get the answer. How is it that we and the Pharisees fast often, but your disciples do not fast? Michael Emmanuel answered, how can the guest of the bridegroom mourn when he is with them? Once again, he is stating, I am God. Not only am I God, in the beginning was the Word. The Word was God. The Word was with God, and the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. Who is the Word that became flesh and dwelt among us? That was in the beginning. Let us create Adam and Eve in our image, after our likeness, created they them, the bride and the bridegroom. That's what it says. And here he's stating, I am the bridegroom of creation. How are my guests? The disciples are my guests. They will be in my wedding party. Why would they fast when I'm with them? And here's the most important point. This is verse 16. No man puts a piece of new cloth unto an old garment. No man puts a new cloth onto an old garment. Once again, going back to in the beginning, he said, I am the bridegroom. Why would they fast? He said, I am the fashion statement of God on earth. It's time for a party because I'm here. So now he's talking about the image of God, the fashion statement of God on earth. We got Hollywood Grill Fashion Weeks going on right now.